Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2019 BT50 GT dual cab ute, stock reference number 4362. This shape runs from the 10th month 2012 and is the current shape. It has a P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic 4-drive transmission. P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has been in a rollover. We have the radiator grille, right-hand headlight. This vehicle is fitted with 17-inch factory alloy mags. The left front has a good tyre. Left rear, 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Factory fitted chrome sports bar, supplied with all bolts and brackets. It is missing the LED light though. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right hand tailgate garnish, right hand tail light. It's got a mint chrome rear bumper. Factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom and module. Right rear, 17-inch factory alloy mag. We have a right hand side single side step. Right front, 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior. Black leather center console lid, automatic type console, 4-wheel drive type, automatic gear shifter, climate control, heated controls, factory Alpine sat nav unit, instrument cluster, and we also have the rear headrests in leather. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.